morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Measuring Fashion World. And this video is to teach you on how to measure your tape rule. It is important that as a fashion designer, a tailor, a beginner, that you understand how to read your tape rule so that you don't have issues with your customers. You don't have the issue of what I ordered versus what I got, and you start to prove to your customers that, oh, I took your measurement, not knowing that you took the wrong measurement, or you misunderstood how the tape rule is meant to be read. Then you wrote down the wrong measurements and act on the wrong measurement that you've taken. So to avoid issues back and forth with customers, it is very important that you understand your tape rule. So let us dive right into it. So to beginners that don't know what a tape rule is like, this is what a tape rule is like. The tape rule has both the centimeter and inches, and the measurement for each is different. It differs. So what I'll just be doing now is to take you on how to read your centimeter. So I've just drawn it out on my paper. I think it is clearer on the paper than on the tape rule here. So we'll be starting with 0. The tip of the tape rule here is 0. I'm supposed to remove this metal, but it's not removing. So let's just use it like that. So this is 0, and this is what we have here is 0. And you can see that we have tiny lines in between these long lines. These tiny lines represent the points, and these long lines represent the whole numbers. So let's start our reading. So we are starting from 0, and to count we start from the next line after 0, and the value for all these tiny lines is 0.1. 0.1. So the first value we have here is 0.1. Now with the next one we also have 0.1. So we are going to be summing it up. We are going to be adding them together to get the next number. So this is 0.1. The next one is 0.1, which means 0.1 plus 0.1, it will give us 0.2. Then now the next one is 0.2 plus 0.1, it will give us 0.3. 0.3 plus 0.1, it will give us 0.4. Now 0.4 plus 0.1, it gives us 0.5. 0.5 plus 0.1, it gives us 0.6. 0.6 plus 0.1 gives us 0.7. 0.7 plus 0.1 gives us 0.8. Like that. 0.8 plus 0.1 gives us 0.9. 0.9 plus 0.1 gives us what? 1. So this line is our 1. Then like that, after we have 1 plus 0.1 is what? 1.1. 1.1 plus 0.1 gives us 1.2. 1.2 plus 0.1 gives us 1.3. 1.3 plus 0.1 gives us 1.4. 1.4 plus 0.1 gives us 1.5. So like that, 1.5 plus 0.1 gives us 0.6, gives us 1.6. We have 1.6. Like that till you get to the end of your tape rule. So this is inches. So if you check your tape rule, the inches side of your tape rule, you can see that the intervals are larger than that of the centimeter. And to read your inches, you start from 0. All these lines, the middle lines, these tiny lines represents the points, while this long line represents the whole number. And we'll be starting from 0. The value for all these tiny lines is 0.125. 0.125. So and we'll be starting our counting from the next number after 0. So this is 0.125. 0.125. the next line is also 0.125, and you'll be adding it to the previous line. So 0.125 plus 0.125 will give us 0.25. So 0.2.5 plus 0.125 will give us 0.375. 0.375 plus 0.125. 0.375 plus 0.125 will give us 0.5. So 0.5 plus 0.125 will give us 0.625. 0.625 plus 0.125 will give us 0.75. 0.75 plus 0.125 will give us 0.875. Now 0.875 plus 0.125 will give us 1. So this is it, 1. So 1 plus 0.125 will give us 1.125. 1.125 plus 0.125 will give us 1.250. 1.250 plus 0.125 will give us 1.375. Like that, till you get to your own number. So this is how to read your tape rule, both for the inches and for the centimeter. For the centimeter, the value of the middle lines is 0.1. Then for the inches, the value of these middle lines is 0.125. And how to get the value for the next line is to add it together with the previous line. So this is how to measure our tape. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.